It's good to be here with you again at Mazharul Ulum, and I've been working with the elders here for many years, and I've been to award ceremonies at this school I think 3 times now, and I was here last year. Everyone is different, but we all have common objectives, and perhaps I should explain, by the way, who he is and who I am. So I'm the mayor, and in most boroughs you would think he was the mayor because he has the chains. I'm a plainclothes mayor, and he is a mayor with a chain. So he is the speaker of the borough, so he is like, was it the queen or the king of Tower Hamlets? So he's the head, he's the first citizen of our borough, so he's the important one, and I'm the mayor, I do all the work. Is that right, Ayaz? Anyway, so I have an executive power as the mayor. And it's great to be here. I also need to bring apologies from Siratul Islam, who is a councillor for this ward and who is a good friend of this mosque and madrasa. And he is doing his surgery, and I think he will be a bit later on. As I was sitting here today, I remembered I won one prize when I was at school. I won the school chemistry prize, and I went to university and I studied chemistry. And I don't actually use chemistry at all in my life nowadays because I'm the mayor of Tower Hamlets. There's not much chemistry for the mayor of Tower Hamlets. But the things you learn in studying any particular subject give you transferable skills that you can use in the rest of your life in all sorts of other ways as well. So I was pleased that we have a science prize here. Science is important. It helps us to understand how things work. And I'm pleased that we have scholars who have memorized. I could never memorize anything. So we're all different. I would have been at the bottom of the class here if I had been expected to memorize. And I failed my language exams because my memory was so poor. But I was good at other things. So I suppose there's a lesson in this, which is we have strengths, we have weaknesses. You're getting restless, so I will carry on. I was pleased also to see a prize awarded to twins because my mum was 8 minutes younger than her sister. And twins are very special. If you think about it, twins know each other for almost a year longer than any other brother or sister might know each other because they were together from the beginning. And it's very special, twins. They're very precious. Obviously the rest of us are precious as well. So it's good to meet twins. And I guess I should also talk a bit about what the role of a mayor is. So I'm a mayor, and I'm a man. I'm not a woman, obviously. I'm a white man. I'm not a black man. I'm not a Muslim. I'm not a Christian. I better not tell you what I am or what I'm not. I cannot be all of those things. I grew up in a Christian family, but as the mayor of Tower Hamlets, I serve everyone in our borough, and my job is to make sure that we all work and live together, and I'm here to help celebrate the success of this good school. I'm here particularly delighted to meet your new head teacher, who will offer leadership. And if he gets it right, this school will become a better and better place and will support the parents and yourselves as students. I think I'm here also to celebrate your success, and I was reminded finally, because I'm a little bit older than most of you, that this is the hottest year since I left school. I left school in 1976, if you can imagine that. 1976 was such a hot year, it didn't rain for about 4 months. The sun was blazing down every day, and this is the hottest summer since 1976. It's worth us reflecting that Britain is often a cold country, and this year in London, even though we didn't win the World Cup, we've had a lot of sunshine upon us. Finally, I remember when I was at school, I went to a boys' school. There were 3 things we had to talk about. One was exams, another was football, and the other was practical jokes. Football is very important, by the way. Practical jokes are very important, but exams are quite important as well. And if we all study and we do well and we're respectful and we get qualifications from our studies, then that will give us far wider choices than if we don't. So I wish you all success in your education and your teaching and your happiness and with your families, because Tower Hamlets and the East End of London are a place where many, many people fulfill their dreams, and I would like you to fulfill yours as well. Thank you and salam.
Thank you very much to our mayor. Next we have, I would like to call upon our Tower Hamlets Speaker of Council. Will enlighten us with a few of his words as well. Ayaz Mia.
Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.